Watch me go from this to this. Hello, beautiful people. This is season 2 of 14 Days of Love. For the gel liner, I'm going to be using L'Oreal Infallible in the color Espresso 173. I'm going to take a spoolie and comb through my brows. To ensure that my brows are even, I'm going to be taking a lighter concealer, which is going to act as a highlight, a brow highlight. And I'm going to be drawing out the underneath shape that I want for my brows. Next, taking this angled brush, I'm going to be dipping it into the gel liner. And I'm just going to be tracing the underneath of the brow, and with the excess fanning it through to create the actual body of the eyebrow. The process is really simple. All I do is continuously dip a little bit at a time and fill in the brow. This doesn't have to be neat because our face isn't done. I just need to clean it up with concealer. If you have already applied your foundation, you will want to be a little more careful, but seeing that I have a bare face, I just ran it through any old shape, and I'm going to be using my concealer at the top, which is the natural skin tone, which is my ordinary skin tone, to ensure that I do not have that halo brow effect. To the starting of the brow, I'm just going to be doing some up stroke like motions to give a more natural finish to the brow. And in between applying the brow liner, I'm going to be taking the spoolie and brushing it through to ensure that it doesn't look harsh and angry. So whatever he wants, and he don't need no gun, he full of joy now. That is a bad man soldier. He ain't no bad man, so sit down, rock back. Tell them I don't need no strap to defend my people. With the excess concealer, I'm going to be just taking that to the center of the brows and just cleaning it up a bit so that it doesn't look like as though I have a unibrow. Taking a clean brush, I'm just going to be blending the concealer out to ensure that it looks nice and has a gradient effect so that when I put my foundation on, it looks seamless. So it's basically going in the gel liner just to fill in the sparse areas and combing them through with the spoolie. And that, guys, is really it. It's very simple. It takes practice. I do hope you enjoy it. Please stay tuned for more videos. As I said, this is the 14 Days of Love, so stick around and be sure to tune in daily for 14 videos. Let's get to 1,000 subbies. Alright, guys, until next time, bye.